Hello student. Today we'll discuss on conversion of flip-flops. Okay. So following steps we are using for conversion of one flip-flop to another type. So by considering the characteristic table of desired flip-flop, fill the excitation table values inputs of given flip-flop for each combination of present state and next state. The excitation table for all the flip-flop is shown below. Get the simplified expression for excitation input. If necessary, use K-map for simplification. And finally, draw the circuit diagram to desired flip-flop according to the simplified expression using the flip-flop and necessary logic gates. Okay, so the concept will be conversion of flip-flop, means convert one flip-flop to another flip-flop. So we'll take one example and the what are the steps, this will be clear. Okay, so like these are the SR2D, SR2JK, SR2T, like this one you can do it. Okay, now see, these are the example of SR flip-flop to D type flip-flop conversion. Okay, so here the given SR flip-flop and desired SR flip-flop is D. Okay, desired flip-flop is D, and therefore consider the following characteristic table for a D type flip-flop. Okay, so these are nothing but your present state and next state. Okay, we are called as Qn and Qn plus 1. Again it is okay. If we use such type of different variable, again it is okay, no problem. Okay, then we know that in the D flip flop, whenever the D is 0, means input is 0, then output is 0. If D is 1, then output is 1, like this one. So according to we can call it as the present input is present at D is equal to 0, then output is 0, and whenever it is 1, then it is 1, like this one, the outputs according to this one. Okay, see now what will be happen whenever we are implementing the conversion of one flip-flop. Okay, so this is nothing but your excitation table of a respect to D flip-flop, right? Then D flip-flop inputs, present input, next state. Okay, here we can assume Qn and Qn plus 1. If you are confused, you can write the Qn and Qn plus 1. So we know that according to the Qn and Qn plus 1, both 0, at that time the SR input is 0 and don't care condition. Okay, means value of R is either 0 or 1, the output is 0, and next state Qn plus 1 is it is 0, like this one is meaning. Then 1 and 0, in that case it is 0 and 1, and 0 1, in that time it is 1 0, both 1, then don't care condition 0. At that time D input is your 0 0 1 1 by referring this table, okay. So like this one you can make. This is called as your excitation table. Now our next steps from the above table. We can Boolean expression we have to find out. Okay, for S and for the R. Okay, for the S and for the R. See now how these are the one. Okay, so 1 and don't care condition. Okay, ESR flip flop S. Okay, then Q and QT. Q means Qn, right? D and Qn. So in one row, okay, so it will be cancelled, so remaining only D. So you can call as S equal to D, H equal to D, and here X and 1 means it is D bar, right? So R is equal to, you can call as D bar. Its meaning is we can, whenever we got S equal to D and R equal to D bar after simplification, and the circuit diagram of D flip flop is shown in the figure, means SR flip flop, like these are the S equal to D, right? And D bar, when it will be occur, when you use the inverter, then and then it will be inverted as a D bar, and it can connect it to the R. Okay, and if you observe, here is D SR input. So in this way we convert your SR flip flop to D flip flop, SR flip flop to D flip flop. See, inverter is there, okay, and only single input and clock pulse D flip flop. Okay, and the circuit consists of SR flip flop and the inverter. This inverter produces an output which is complement of input D. So the overall circuit has single input D and two output. We can call as QT bar, QN bar, like this one we can define. and hence D flip flop is similar. You can do for the other type of the conversion to convert one type of flip flop to the another flip flop. Initially, internal part is what we write the present state, next state inside of the two column, and right side we can mark which flip flop we want to convert, and in left side input we can mark which flip flop we want to convert. By referring the excitation table, we are converting one type of flip flop to the another type. Thank you.